Hello everyone, this is Secret Empress Tarot. Today I'm going to do a reading for Cancer for the month of November 2020. This will be reading for Sun, Moon and Rising Sign. In case if this video resonates, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. In case if it doesn't resonate, please check your other sign. And other zodiac sign reading is already posted. So link will be given in description box. Please do check it. So let's start your reading. Before I do past, present and future, let me check your current energy, Cancer. Ten of Wands. Page of Swords. Three of Cups. Nine of Coin. Seven of Wands. Knight of Cups. Nine of Cups. Six of Wands. Five of Swords and the Four of Wands. So what it says that Cancer, there may be a lot of burden within you. It can be due to connection, or it can be anything. It can be due to family, it can be due to career or anything. There's a lot of burden within you. So you may be not actually able to concentrate on a certain situation here due to a lot of burden. So instead you may be stalking this person here from long distance and just observing them. You maybe have reconciled with them or you have reunited with them. But you are just acting independent, not giving much attention or not giving much energy towards them. Maybe before you may have given but not giving much because you have a lot of responsibility. You may have felt like you're not giving much to this connection right now due to some other things in your life. For some people, you may be just enjoying with your friends. Moreover, just being independent, enjoying, just not giving time towards this individual. You may have tried your best in the present situation. You're trying your best to not be too much emotional or not to show much emotion towards an individual here. You're trying to block your own emotions. You may have felt like being single right now, being independent, just taking care of yourself is the right thing. For so many people, there may be a lot of attention coming elsewhere. That also can be a reason. For others, it's like you're wanting to be single, independent, and if you feel happy that there will be no responsibility when it comes to relationship or anything. There will be more responsibility when it comes to independent thing. There may be no responsibility and you may enjoy the life. It's like you may have felt defeated in a situation here where you may be in a commitment with them but you are feeling defeated. You don't have any energy to give in, so you are trying your best to be single and just take care of yourself. In case if you are in a commitment or in case if you are married, I see that you are not able to have a responsibility of your wife or husband here. Just trying to be yourself. You feel like in case if you are just concentrating on your family or other person in your life, you feel very burdened. You feel like you're not able to do things here. So that's what I see till now. Just you're trying to be single, independent, take care of yourself and trying your best to avoid your emotional thing, because in case if this emotional thing comes into your life, it becomes more burden. So that's what you feel. So that's what I have for current situation for you. So let's see your past, present and future reading. Soon I'll be posting rest of the zodiac sign. Okay. For the overall energy, you got the Page of Wands regarding some kind of a message or regarding some kind of a passionate energy. In the past, you got Nine of Wands, Two of Pentacles, Two of Swords, and the Wheel of Fortune. So I see you feel blocking any kind of a confusion, any kind of a overthinking a situation here. Just trying to think in a different perspective regarding a situation. You may have felt like you're overthinking something, right? So you're trying your best to just see a situation in a different level. But more likely, I feel an energy that you may have just not taken things seriously. There may be a lot of red flags around you, a lot of things which may have presented to you, but you may have ignored. But in the past, you're taking it in your thoughts and just focusing on that regarding a message from divine or regarding any kind of a thing, unexpected thing happened. You're just thinking about that. For the present situation, you got Nine of Swords, Ten of Wands, and the Knight of Swords. So it's like you may be very stressed regarding a commitment or something. You are very stressed in the present situation, too much feeling burden here. So you may be showing arrogant, or you may be very much angry regarding that. You may be not ready to take a responsibility here. You may be very confused here. So you may have just being arrogant regarding a person here, towards a person. So I see you being very much arrogant, being very much harsh towards them. In the immediate future, you got Five of Swords, Two of Wands, and the Moon. So it's like you are just feeling defeated in a situation, so you no more giving energy here. Just trying to hold back and just keeping all your emotion, all your thing within yourself. So let me clarify this Page of Wands. For the Page of Wands, you got the Queen of Coins, Page of Swords, and the Eight of Pentacles. I see in the month of November, you're just taking time break within yourself, just concentrating on yourself, your progress, and just working on your thing. Plus, I don't see you putting any kind of a work in a situation here. Instead, you are stalking and getting a clarity. There may be a certain message which may have triggered you in the month of November. It can be in a speaking terms, or it can be a message which may have led you to be doubted regarding a person here. For the Nine of Wands, you got the Lovers, Four of Coin, and the Judgment. Okay. In the past, you have decided to hold on to your grudge. No more giving any kind of energy, no more treating them like before you had treated. You've decided to not give much energy like before towards an individual, and you may have acted guarded. For the Two of Swords, you got the Knight of Wands, Ace of Coin, and the Temperance. I see this is your person for sure. I see them, they may have come towards you to have a new beginning, new start with you, and wanting to make things balance here. But you may be still conflicted. Maybe you have gone towards them to start again, but still you are too much on your head. That's what I see. For the Wheel of Fortune, you got the King of Coin, the Hierophant, and the Three of Coin. Yeah, you have given a second chance here. You have started working on this commitment or a connection with them. In the past, I see that you have given a second chance and you have worked on with them. For the present situation, you got the Queen of Swords. For the Nine of Swords, you got Queen of Swords, Six of Swords, and the Seven of Pentacles. So you may have waited for some kind of a clarity or some kind of a changes within this person, but right now I feel like you may have not got anything. You have realized that there's no reason of waiting here. You feel like you have got a clarity and you're just trying to walk away from being stuck or being waited here, and being in your position and just being very blocking here. Maybe very stressed. You may not like to block them, but you are feeling that's right. For the 10 of Wands, you got the 5 of Cups, 7 of Cups, and the Ace of Wands. You're healing yourself. You're letting down any kind of a burden, anything in the present situation, letting any kind of a past hurt or past baggage or anything, emotional confusion or anything, and just having a new start within you. For the Knight of Swords, you got 4 of Wands, Queen of Wands, and the Knight of Coins. So I see that you are wanting to take action towards this individual. So it's like, I feel like you may have waited for some kind of a clarity here, but you may have felt that, you may have very stressed that no, this is not the right thing, better to take action towards them. And I see you taking action towards them here. As soon as you just overcome any kind of a past or you healed yourself, I see you taking action towards them, but slowly. Not slowly, but you wanted to take action slowly, but I see you just taking action towards them very rapidly. It's like, just be careful, because you may take action in an arrogant voice, because it's a Knight of Swords. It can be like unexpectedly you may have an argument, or unexpectedly you may speak something. Just be careful of that. For the 5 of Swords, for the immediate future, you got the 3 of Wands, 5 of Coin, and the Page of Coin. So in the immediate future, you're just taking action towards forward movement. You're learning from past. You're just healing yourself and just moving forward. I see a forward movement in the future. But even though you're wanting to move forward, this may be very stressful for you regarding moving forward. This can be a very big process for you. But I see you just taking action towards moving forward. For the 2 of Wands, you got the Empress, 3 of Cups, and the 4 of Cups. Okay. I told that this will be a difficult change when it comes to you leaving past behind and moving forward, because as soon as you're wanting to move forward, this past hurt may come in between your moving forward thing. So due to which you may have delay in moving forward. So you may have just acting distant, acting like rejecting them. Moreover, you may reject them for sure. Even though you know they are your Empress, you're wanting a 3 of Cups with them. I see you rejecting them because you're wanting more time to think about the situation. You feel that's not right to take. You feel like sudden decision it is. You don't want to take it. So you're delaying. For the Moon, you got the World, 4 of Swords, 6 of Coin. So I see a lot of progression within you. You are ending so many things, healing yourself, and just ready to make things right when it comes to this individual. You're just thinking to end something, just heal yourself and to make things right. But I don't see you taking action, just having an idea of doing that. But I don't see you taking action to the end of November. Cards from the universe for Cancer. The Fool, 5 of Wands, and the King of Cups. You do wanting to take a leap of faith when it comes to this individual, but in the month of November, you are having an idea of moving forward with them, but you are still over your head. There may be so many people influence here. They may be telling something and all may confuse you. Just be careful about that. For others, it can be like a lot of emotional drama here. So just you are keeping your emotion within you due to this emotional drama or emotional confusion, or it can be like so many people influencing things. So it will all be like confusion. You wanted to take action, but still you are conflicted. So that's what I see. You may be dealing with the earth, fire, water, air. Virgo, Taurus, Libra, Pisces, Sagittarius,